How to type forward slash or backward slash from your keyboard. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can type forward slash or backward slash from your keyboard. So without any further ado, let us begin. Let me open my Word document for this. So here is a Word document, and to show you guys how you can type the forward or backward slash, I will use the on-screen keyboard. So let me open that up. So this is the keyboard right here. The layout is gonna be same for your normal keyboard and your on-screen keyboard. So let me increase the size of this, and all you need to do here is you will see the forward slash here. You'll see the two different kind of slashes. One is right besides the delete. Sometimes it's right above the enter as it is here, and the delete is of somewhere here. So you will see this slash right here. All you need to do is click it, and there you go. There you have the slash. The other one is right beside the arrow keys or the shift keys. So find it and click it, and yeah, that is basically it. That is how you type in the forward and backward slash. All you need to do is find the keys, correct keys, and start hitting on it. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you type forward and backward slash from your keyboard. Thanks for watching. That was all for today. Stay tuned for more and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.